Did I order 8 new wigs from Wig Party? Yes, I did. But in my defense, I needed some good fall wigs that are like more transitional pieces. I feel like a lot of my wigs are like more summer geared. However, this one is honey with chai latte in the Columbia style. This is going to be your blonde of the summer, okay? If you are looking for a transitional blonde that's going to last into fall and winter, that isn't a cool tone blonde, honey with chai latte, right here, okay? We're just going to go through these really super fast. I'm just going to show you the basics and throw it on, and then we're going to go. So if you're looking for a quick video, this is the one for you. So this is Armani in Shaken Oat Milk, I believe. Yeah, Shaken Oat Milk Blonde. It does have a root to it. I haven't done anything. This is just her out of the box. She is free parting because it is a luxe. It has a hand tied cap with silicone ear tabs and the Velcro adjusters in the back. I love the Armanis. They are just really pretty long wigs. If you're looking for something that's long and has some body to it, in the curls, this is definitely your girl. Oh my lord. This is Peerless 22 in Jamocha Almond Fudge. I am dying over this one. I mean, I know I'm dramatic, you know. If you know me by now, you know that I'm going to be freaking dramatic. But I'm telling you, it's worth it. For this wig, it's understandable to be dramatic because my Lord have mercy. This is one of the prettiest colors. I don't have anything in this color, and now I'm about to place a big order with everything in this color. I shit you not. This is going to be my like transitional brown blondie into fall color. So this video is just all about fall. But this coloring is beautiful. And y'all know Peerless 22 is literally my favorite go-to wig. It's the one I throw on the most. It's my favorite. It's got a lot of body. It's sexy, but it's also, you know, casual enough where you can just wear it every day. I'm obsessed with this. Next, we have Dolce & Dolce 23 in the honey with chai latte. Oh, I love this color. I love that you can see this color straightened because you can really see the dimension and how beautiful this blonde tone is. Oh, I love it. And it is, all of these are still styled the way that they come out of the box. So this one does have that zigzag part that we will be getting rid of. I'll be lifting her at the roots, giving her some volume, and I may throw in just a little extra curl toward the ends to give it some body. But holy smokes, this is a smoke show. Next, we have Bespoke in Sugar Cookie Hazelnut. Sugar Cookie with Hazelnut. I love this coloring. This is one of those golden blondes that is also transitional into fall. I can't remember if this color's been discontinued. I think it might have, but I could be wrong. However, this is a beautiful, beautiful color. If you can get your hands on her, highly suggest you do. Yeah, stunner. This beautiful babe is Peerless 22 in the honey with chai latte. Love, 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 love. Y'all know I love the honey with chai latte and the Peerless, and when you put them together, obviously I'm going to freaking love it. So this one is really pretty. I also think I may order this in the 14 inch just to have a shorter option in this color, but I love this one. This beautiful one, this one, I was on the fence about, y'all. I can't believe I was on the fence about. I wasn't for sure about the color for fall. Holy shit, did I make the right decision. This is Katniss in Caramel Toffee Blonde. Obsessed. Ah, I am so obsessed with all of these. Like, sincerely, they are all so good and such good fall wigs. Like, holy crap. Also, I understand everybody's, like, obsession with the Katniss now. This is also another one that I'm going to need every single color in. So Christy, if you're watching this video, Kaylee, if you're watching this video, I need one of these in every single color, please. Obsessed with it. This one is Bespoke in Sumptuous Strawberry. Like I said, I'm trying to get every style in Sumptuous Strawberry because that is my girl, that's my color. This one is very layered, super freaking cute. You can do a lot with this because it is so low density. You can put it in a claw clip, wear it in a ponytail, whatever you want. This would also be really cute styled in curls as well. So, and this last one that I got is Armani in Pumpkin Pie Spice. Hey, this one is kind of similar to Katniss in some ways, but it's also not. This is a luxe, so it is free parting. So I will end up moving that part over to the middle and doing a middle part with it. Currently, it's a little deep in the left side part for me, but I do really love this one. The Armanis are just a really good basic staple if you're looking for a long, like, luxury wig. So yeah, that is my haul that I had no business spending that much money on. However, I hope you found it entertaining. If you want to buy any of these wigs, you can buy them at Wig Party Shop, and you can use my code NANCY11 at checkout and get 11% off.